Welcome. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to allow animations and calls on the Telegram app for PC after the new update. This is a simple process, but it can make your call experience more interactive and visually smooth. So let's get started right away. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and on the main dashboard where all your chats are visible. At the top left corner of the screen, you'll notice three small horizontal lines. Click on those lines to open the main menu. Once the menu is open, find and select the option labeled Settings. This is where you can manage everything related to your account, privacy, notifications, and much more. When the settings window appears, you'll see several different categories. Look for the section named Battery and Animations and click on it. Inside this section, you'll find the new feature related to animations. Scroll down until you see the option called Animations and Calls. By default, this may be turned off to optimize performance or save battery, but enabling it can give you a smoother and more modern calling experience. Simply toggle the switch to turn it on. After enabling the setting, don't forget the most important step. Save your changes. At the bottom of the page, click on the Save button. This ensures that the animations feature will remain active the next time you make or receive a call through Telegram on your PC. That's it. You've successfully activated animations in calls. From now on, whenever you engage in a voice or video call, you'll notice dynamic and fluid transitions that make the app feel more polished and enjoyable to use. If you like experimenting with new features, this update is definitely worth trying. It's a small change, but one that adds a touch of elegance to your communication. Now you can enjoy calls on Telegram not only for their clarity and security, but also for a better, more visual experience. Thanks for following along.